Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? That's why I have the website, colinmullen.com. So, hey everybody, this week I just want to talk about something that's sort of along the lines of the same conversation we had last week, and that's the, I guess, defense of just not doing anything, like relaxing. Last week I talked about being bored on purpose, and that your mind doesn't like to be bored. I guess to further elaborate on that, I remember reading about a study a little while back where they put some people in a waiting room with a box that shocks them. And, you know, you'd think that people wouldn't press the button that would shock them, but they do. They do every time, multiple times usually. Just because people would rather have stimulus than not. And being bored will make you do more art. And so that's cool. You know, obviously it's better than shocking yourself, right? Anyway, I think that a lot of the time, with the way that things are set up right now, there is an expectation that you must be producing, you must be efficient at all times. If you are not working, if you are not, if you're not working, basically you're not a true member of the society. You're not, you know, doing your part. You're wasting time. And that's really bad for us. And I feel like we sort of just let that be a thing. But when you hear about all of these great artists, one thing that they had that I guess we don't really anymore is the luxury of just being able to do nothing. To relax, to enjoy the time that we have on Earth. And that really helps out your creative process. It helps you heal mentally. It helps you get your head straight. So I know that there's this whole grind culture. There's this whole like hustle culture where, you know, you just need to be pushing out more and more and more and more content. Like if you're not working, if you're not doing something, then you're not valid. Is sort of the idea that if you're not working, someone else is, and they're getting the one-ups on you. I've spoken about it in the past. Other artists are not your competition. You're in competition with yourself. I'll link off to that video. And you need to be improving yourself. And part of that improvement, as much as I go, like, you should try and do art as much as you can. Part of that is also just giving yourself permission to not do things for once. Just allow yourself to relax, you know? Make sure you're still putting out content. Make sure that you're still putting time in to do your work. But, God, you gotta relax. Like, the idea of the get up and grind, that's just another way of saying you got a bad work-life balance. And you need to have the life in order to be able to do the work, especially when it comes to art. There's, at the end of the day, at the end of your life, you're going to wonder where you spent all your time. And a lot of it is going to be working. And enjoying life is really important. So if you're an artist, make sure you take some time out of your day to just enjoy life. Not work. Don't, you know, you can still do art if you want, but don't bother having to post it. Don't bother having to, you know, seek it out to, you know, do anything other than just your own enjoyment for a moment. You know, go play a video game, go watch a show, go take a walk, go whatever. Just enjoy your life some. And I swear your art will be so much better as a result, because it clears your head. It allows you to step away from your canvas, and for a minute you're thinking about something else, and you go, wait a minute, I just had an idea. I just had, you know, what if I did such and such? Like, if you focus in on a problem too hard, it's not good for you. People need to learn to relax, and I hate that it's a culture that we've got right now where hustle and grind is the important thing. It's just not. It's really not. Take a moment out of your day today. You have my permission to relax. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and thank the people on Patreon. If you want to join them, you can. Patreon.com/RevScarecrow. If you donate $1, then I'll say thank you. Thank you. But if you donate $5 or more, you'll get in the end credits here. You'll also get access to the Discord. And yeah, so why don't we thank those people, starting with my mom. Thank you, Mom. I love you. Thank you, Wapfu. Thank you, Top Houndor. Thank you, The Drunk, 2010. Thank you, That 2 Guy. Thank you, Terry Maverick. Thank you, Snoutpunk. Thank you, Orthogonal Caster. Thank you, Mortis Natus. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Maliciousness. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Gala. Thank you, Ego. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bubba Fair. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Amber. And thank you, Ants! Anyway, yeah. I like how I was like, oh, yeah, make sure you relax. You know, take some time out of your day. And then I scream in your ear. Oh, well. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.